scaring me. Okay, I probably put too much cheese in here, but whatever. I feel like I need more milk. Does this look like a roux? And I mean, I think it's supposed to feel like a cheese sauce.
Yeah, it looks like a cheese sauce.
Actually, it does. Man, I am a fucking beast. Here is my beautiful creation.
You take a picture of this turkey too?
Look at the turkey in HD or whatever. Carve the turkey. Oh yeah, we should cut the wishbone in for our cousin's birthday. Isn't it so cute? That's me. Where's your barricade?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh, there's Pop.
It's the cutest little freaking that I've ever seen in my freaking life.
Bag of popcorn ever.
That's so cute. I didn't know what was in here.
I wore my Pikachu Christmas sweater. Look at that.
That's so cute. I didn't know that there was any food in here. I just thought it was like napkins. And look at this stick of popcorn. I love you guys. And Evan is so cute. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Let me show the Pac-Man. Quick.
In the camera. Yeah, we're gonna Pac-Man and
came to the store and everything.
Arcade one up. But yeah.
Gonna decorate this fake tree. The merkin. Okay. I know how to do it. How low do you want these to be? Like where they are? Not even stay in my way. I can't even look.
Stand right in front of you. The little tiny ones we can scare all over.
Yeah, it's true. Any more in there?
Those are all the regular ones.
They're not really blonde. Ugh. Can't wait to get all this fucking weird hair color. Hey! Oh, night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the
Try to scare these all over the whole tree. Both sides. I'm gonna drop them. Luckily it says shatterproof around the container.
Look at plastic, that's why. It's not glass or, you know, fragile really. Yeah, this big, like, they're like little plastic bowl sacks. You know what? I feel like when I hang things, I'm like really what's the term? A lot more precise. Well, yeah. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Oh, God, I still make it. It looks bad, it looks bad. Do. Oh, I can't hear this beautiful. Big carrot top. I look like carrot top, but you see it through the ball. I don't like it. Oh. say things and then you use my hands to do something.
Okay.
Yeah, like the neon timer.
Squeeze it closer.
You did? Oh, I have to help.
Close it in the center.
What? Oh god. Oh god. Oh, look at igloo. Wait, put it away.
Oh god.
Wait.
We'll get more paper try and do it.
Wait, undo it.
Oh god. Christmas brew. Right.
It's like a bib or like a poncho.
It is a poncho.
Vlogmas. Cold and snowy outside, as you can tell. Oh, holy night. The stars are brightly shining. Wait, where are we going? I mean, like, down there? Shit. Okay, wait. I'm gonna show them. Let's just jump right into it. I got some hair stuff. I got this Marc Anthony roll-on conditioning treatment. I had this for a while and I ran out of it, so I bought 2 more packs. I used it tonight on my hair, so it feels a lot better and conditioned and healthy, and now my rain's stuck in my hair. Conditioner from the same brand. This is extra virgin. Coconut oil and shea butter. So yeah. Ultra nourishing conditioning treatment. So yeah. I bought this Pacifica Island vanilla perfume hair and body mist. I was going to buy the rollerball, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it. So let's take the tape off of this. Let's see how I feel about it, shall we? bad, but it's not really like what I was expecting. It's okay though. It smells like vanilla, to be fair. I also got a Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. It's like one of my favorite continuous setting mist. One of my favorite setting mists, I should say. This Essence Melted Chrome Eyeshadow in the shade Warm Bronze. I heard some pretty good things about this formula, and so of these CoverGirl shadow sticks. One in the shade Unruly and one in the shade Leading Lady, and I knew this was gonna be purple, which it is. But then I thought this was gonna be green, and it's not. It's like a lighter, more tanny purple. So that's a little annoying, but like, you guys aren't gonna be able to see this, but yeah, at all. But yeah, it's definitely, I'm just watching it, whatever. Yeah. And also, it was a free gift with purchase situation. So, and I never do this. I never do the gifts with purchase stuff because I feel like I always want the gift with purchase more than I want to actually buy other products. But this came with the eyeshadows. I like hats. It says, stop, Leopard time.
Stop, hammer time.
It was this Physicians Formula Sculpting Bronzer in the shade Mocha. Because I've been really wanting to get more contour products lately, just because I feel like I don't have that many. And I hope this isn't too... I think this is hard, really, like, for real. Where's my shit? Oh my god! Holy guacamole, it's like dark chocolate. I mean, it feels really creamy, but fuck this dark. Well, the other shade looked more like a bronzer, and this one looked more like a contour, which it definitely does, so okay. And this is a repurchase of this iHeart Revolution donut palette. I use this like every day for my eyebrows. This is fucking nice, man. Comes with a fucking like case and shit. Ominous tape on it. This is really cute though. It comes with its own case. Yeah, I think I heard that these weren't like fully filled, if you can tell from like the review, so that's kind of annoying, but I mean, whatever. They look really pretty. I'm mostly into these two first colors. I think those would be like kind of the kind of colors I'll be really into. And this one was the one that I was talking about, the red, and then this part of that. You guys can see the liquid lipstick. Liquid lipstick. It's very cooling. Feels. Isn't that bad though. So yeah. I was peeling potatoes, and of course I cut my thumb. So, you know, lovely day.